Hello everyone, my name is Michał Matysiak. I am a sculptor from Poland. I am pleasure to invite you to my exhibition Spatial Dialogues at Tapper-Popermajer. It is my first exhibition at Sweden, so I am very excited. Please come with me to inside. Usually, I start my work by giving myself a special problem to solve. Then I do multiple and many sketches before I put my work into a 3D design software. Working with the virtual space give me a control over all the process and give me a possibility to experiment with many different scales. On exhibition, I present 9 physical sculpture and 1 virtual work. Each of them are part of my ongoing series, Figura Serpentinata, a project that has grown for several years. It is about issue of transforming a form of sculpture during the time and space. My sculptures has many faces. I work with many different surfaces, so some of them are very polite and shiny. Some of them get very rough and rusty character, and some of them keep its original surface of welded steel. Every sculpture tells their own story about individual paths moving through the space. I trying to not decide where is the beginning and where is the end, where is the front, where are the sides and back of each sculpture. I leave this decision to the viewers. Each of the sculpture is independent story about path in the space and time. Everything fluid, dramatically turn around and turning, and constantly change the character. I try to not define where is the front, where is the side, where is the back. I left it to the viewer so they decide how they want to get into relationship with this composition. I has created some big sculptures in public space. I am also an architect, so I am very excited about putting a large scale and looking for relationship between a normal people and a large scale sculpture. Today, I think we are often focused too much on content and context of art. I think we are overstimulated by many contexts. So my sculptures don't have any. They don't need them. They don't save a word. They are not about, political issues and historical engagement. They are only talking about itself, about this fantastic moving through the space and time. At the exposition, I am also showing one of my virtual simulation called Black Spectre. The virtual field is permanently present at my artworks. I treat my virtual sculptures as equal to the physical one. I also think about virtuality as an independent and next way of artistic expression, like welded steel, stone, or wood or something.